Hello, aspiring entrepreneurs and wealth seekers. Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the top opportunities of 2024 that could pave the way to financial abundance and success. In a world full of endless possibilities, it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve and capitalize on emerging trends for financial gain. Today, we present to you the top 10 opportunities that could potentially make you rich in 2024. Number 10. Cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. The digital revolution is here to stay, and investing in cryptocurrency could be your ticket to wealth. Stay informed, stay ahead. Number 9. Artificial intelligence and automation. Embrace the future by investing in AI-driven technologies that have the power to revolutionize industries and generate massive profits. Number 8. Stock market and trading. With the right knowledge and strategy, the stock market can be a lucrative avenue for wealth accumulation. Stay informed, diversify your portfolio, and watch your wealth grow. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Number 7. E-commerce and online business. The digital marketplace offers endless opportunities for budding entrepreneurs to launch successful online ventures. Capitalize on the e-commerce boom. Number 6. Sustainable and green industries. The world is shifting towards eco-friendly practices, and investing in sustainable businesses can not only bring financial returns but also contribute to a better future for our planet. Number 5. Fintech and mobile payments. The way we handle money is evolving, and investing in fintech companies that are revolutionizing the financial sector could lead to substantial profits. Number 4. Real estate and property investment. The property market continues to be a robust investment option, providing opportunities for significant returns through strategic acquisitions and developments. Number 3. Luxury brands and experiences. The demand for luxury goods and experiences is ever growing, presenting opportunities for investment in high-end brands and luxury hospitality ventures. Number 2. Health and wellness industry. With an increasing focus on health and well-being, investing in the booming health and wellness sector can lead to both financial success and personal fulfillment. Number 1. Comment down below that according to you, which opportunity will you add in this point? To discover the top opportunity that could change your financial future, stay tuned for our next video. Remember, the path to riches is paved with knowledge, strategy, and foresight. Subscribe to our channel and embark on your journey to wealth and success. Thank you for watching.